Now, overall, 2023 has been a phenomenal year for Indian markets. But looking ahead, January, which I just mentioned, has been a historically red month for the markets. Do you expect some bit of a pullback over there, especially considering the kind of returns we have seen over the last couple of months?
Yeah, definitely. You are rightly said that this year remain very positive and we are achieving new milestone in 2023 in terms of volume, in terms of Demat account, in terms of IPO, in terms of performance. And also NSE reached out around a $4 trillion market cap, surpassed the Hang Seng as the world's seventh largest exchange. So Indian market have so much potential, and I'm expecting next year performance. Definitely we may see around 16 to 18% in the end of the year, and in first 2 months in January and February this bull run will continue.
All right. And Mr. Singh, for the year, Bank Nifty has rather underperformed Nifty, but in December, we are seeing a bit of a catch-up rally in the banking pack. Do you expect this rally to continue at least for some more time?
See, without banking sector, we can't expect that so much aggressive rally in next year. So my point is that now overall the financial changes are going on. So we expect the same kind of aggression in Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty we may achieve the 50,000 target very soon. So in next couple of month we may see 2000 point rally. So that kind of potential they have in Bank Nifty. So the upside target is open.
And India VIX, now that is above 15 levels and pretty much at a 9-month high. Is that concerning?
That is a good sign now, because when this type of volatility, that means we are expecting the some upward momentum or some downward volatility is also is the indication. So if stable the 14 maybe the average is settled down around 13 to 14%, but this type of volatility is a positive sign for the market.
All right. And Mr. Singh, moving on to stocks, Tata Motors. Now, that was the best performer among Nifty 50 stocks. The stock has pretty much turned a multi-bagger for 2023 year to date. It's up somewhere around 95-96%. Even trading with a good bit of strength this morning, up about 2% or so. Can this rally that we have seen in Tata Motors that has played out this year, can that continue?
See, the daily and weekly chart is also in a bull side, and yeah, you are rightly said that in 1 year he's reported 96% return, and 3 months is 23%, 1 month is 8%, and 1 week is 6%. So this stock is outperforming the Nifty, and we may expect the same kind of movement, and in next year, next target would be the 950 level. So the all the investors, those have a position on Tata Motor, they will continue and put the stop loss at around 680 levels, and for the target of 950 level.
And so what's your view on HDFC Bank? Now, that stock was a laggard for the majority of the year, but since November, we have seen a good bit of a bounce back in the stock after, it formed a base around somewhere around 1480 to 1520 level. Now, the stock has in fact moved above 1700 levels. Has the stock first of all bottomed out, and can we expect more upside from here on?
See, the lot of news is going on in this counter, and yeah, it's surprised that this stock has delivered 3.75% return in 1 year, and if you talk about Indian benchmark indices, then this stock is underperformer. But the overall situation is now the change, and we may see upward momentum. Yes, definitely this stock is bottom out, and once it's crossed the 1750 levels, then we set to the target maybe achieve in 2100 for near term. So the bull run start in this counter, so we may take a buy call on this and put the stop loss of 1600, and we may expect that in next 6 to 8 months is 2100.
All right, and Mr. Singh, before we let you go, any short-term trading ideas?
Yeah, lot of stocks are volatile, and this point of time, I'm selecting five stocks for the next year. You can say that, and on short-term period or long-term investments, but the target is short-term. First is a buy BHEL at 192.93 levels, and for the target of 205 with a stop loss of 185. And second is a GMR Infra. The chart structure is very good, and we may expect the target of 85. So we can take a buy position at current level at 73.75 for the target of 85 and put the stop loss at 71. And third stock is IOC. Right now is trading around 132. You can take buy position on this counter, and for the target of 145 with a stop loss of 125. And this and second is Tata Power, 328. We can take a buy position on this price, and for the target of 345 with a stop loss of 320. And last but not least, Tilak Nagar Industries, 240 to 240 for the target of 270 with a stop loss of 230. So these five stocks we may take a buy side.